Bubble has an ever-growing library of plugins made by the community and Bubble itself. This gives Bubble even more to offer. These plugins range from custom elements like multi-select dropdowns, to progress bars, to integrations with other services around the web. To add a plugin, navigate to the Plugins tab, find the plugin you'd like, and hit Install. One of the most popular plugins is Bubble's API connector, which allows you to connect almost any external API by making calls from your app. This allows you to get data from these external services, or even trigger some actions on these services, like sending a text or charging a credit card. You can also extend Bubble by exposing your app's data API. All it takes is one click and your application has its own RESTful interface for its data types that others can use to talk to your app. You can use Bubble to do even more hands-off operations for things like sending a newsletter in the background with back-end workflows that will run whenever you tell it to. Bubble is as extensible as any traditional web framework, but there are even more resources at your disposal as you continue your journey building with Bubble. To give you a jump start with building your application, Bubble has a marketplace entirely for templates that you can add to your account and start from. These templates consist of ready-made designs and workflows so you can get right to launching your app. There's also a plugin marketplace for other elements, functions, and integrations that your app can use. Of course, you can also contribute to these by making and selling your own templates and plugins and sharing them with the larger community. Bubble has a wonderfully responsive forum that is perfect for getting help from other Bubblers who have gone through this process. The story doesn't end here, and there is more content for you to learn, so be sure to check out Bubble's interactive lessons next. These lessons will take you in the editor and repeat the process from the principles we covered here and help cement them as you start to make your app. We're so excited to see what you will build with Bubble.